What up, guys? Everybody's always shooting their unboxing vids. I just got a video, or I just got a package from LoA. About to open this shit up. Hold on, let me get a knife. Haha! This took a while to get here. I don't know what the issue was, but I'm pretty pumped about it. Yeah. Hope I'm not cutting any of the stuff inside. And my buddy Terry got his gear like 2 days after he ordered it. I'm getting mine like 2 weeks after I ordered it. We ordered on the same day. Actually, I ordered before him. So I don't know what the issue was, but either way, the guys at LoA have awesome customer service. They helped Terry out when he had some issues. So anyway, let's check out what I got here. Got a LoA tank top, medium. Look at that shit. Look at it. Look at it. Respect it. And 2 large LoA hoodies. One for me and one for my girlfriend Evie. That shit looks big. That shit looks comfy. Alright. Sweet, sweet. So I got 2 of those. And that's it, guys. It's my LoA gear. LoA gear, got it. I'm pretty pumped. Gonna wear this shit to the gym tonight. So, thanks a lot. Matt Ogus, Chris Lovato, Legends of Aesthetics. And I'll post some pics of me wearing the shit later on. Peace.